What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this Fulentalk T1 portable translator. Yeah, I've been using this one for the past couple of weeks, but actually it's my friends who have been enjoying this device. I live in China, so some of my friends wanted to travel to China, and once they have arrived here, they were like, wow, we don't understand nothing. Because in China, people speak Chinese and Chinese is one of the toughest language to learn. So definitely it's not easy for the travelers. Also, as my elder sister lives in Poland, when I go to Poland, sometimes I feel like it's a bit difficult for me to communicate with Polish people. Yeah, I speak some Polish because I've lived in Poland for a few years, but I'm not that fluent. But now with this Fulentalk T1 portable translator, life is much easier than before. Well, before I talk about the other features of this product, there are two things I need to mention about this one because these two features are really unavailable on any other portable translators. The first thing is this one comes with a 2 years free global mobile data. This Fulentalk T1 portable translator is actually equipped with a eSIM and you will be able to get free global data around the world. Wow! And that's for 2 years. Think about the cost of mobile data connection while we are roaming and how difficult it is to get a new SIM card or new mobile data connection when we are traveling to a country where we don't know how to speak their language. Now with this Fulentalk T1 portable translator, I have more than 200 wireless network operators worldwide. So yeah, I don't have to go and check for Wi-Fi, I don't have to get a new SIM card. I just can use this Fulentalk T1 portable translator without any hassle. The second thing is this Fulentalk T1 portable translator comes with an industry-leading OCR offline translation engine and an 8 megapixel rear camera for instant image translation in 36 languages. Why this is very important is sometimes we have a product or sometimes we see something written somewhere, we don't know how to read it, we don't know how to write it down, we don't know how to pronounce it, then how can we translate it? Then what you can do is just take out this Fulentalk T1 portable translator, take a picture and bang, everything is translated. Well, without wasting any more time, let's start from unboxing, but before that, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Here is the box of Fulentalk portable translator. You can see that I have already unwrapped it as I have been using this one. My friends have been using this one, but I have placed everything back inside the box to share the unboxing experience with you. Well, at the back you can see they have written the product specification. This one weighs 115 grams, comes with a quad-core ARM 12nm 2 GHz CPU. This one comes with 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB of storage. This one runs on Android 10, comes with a very good, very responsive and very attractive 4-inch display panel. There is a 8 megapixel sensor at the rear panel. This one comes with multi-microphone array, dual speakers and gets charged through a Type-C port. This Fulentalk T1 portable translator is equipped with a 1500 mAh battery. Well, as I mentioned earlier, you can see here 2 years of international unlimited data plan for free. Also, we can connect this one through Wi-Fi or nano SIM. Yeah, there is a eSIM already built inside the device. This one supports 2G, 3G, 4G LTE. Well, this one actually provides quite a nice unboxing experience. Even the box of this device is made with premium quality materials. It's not like you have to open the lid or something, you have to slide out the box outside the lid and look at this. It says hello. Yeah, as this one supports nano SIM, there is a SIM ejector tool and it says hello in different languages. This one also comes with a user manual and underneath the user manual, yeah, here comes our Fulentalk T1 portable translator. Let's put the translator aside and check what other things we have got inside the box. Underneath the translator, there is another small box. Inside the box, you will get a lanyard and a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. I'm truly surprised to see that this one comes with a very good quality, premium quality USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Okay, before I talk about anything else, let's think about a scenario. You are traveling to a country where you don't understand their language, but there is a beautiful girl who wanna talk to you or you wanna talk to a beautiful girl. No, don't be shy. Let me know. How would you feel? Let's check this. Hello, how are you?
听不懂，
You are very beautiful.
别烦我。
Oh, wait. Oh yeah, I have this Fulentalk Hi, what is your name?
您好，你叫什么名字？
我叫 Candy，
My name is Candy.
你是哪里人呀？
Where are you from?
Oh, I'm from the sky.
哦，从天而降。
Do you have time tonight?
你今晚有时间吗？
我有时间，但是你有什么事儿吗？
I have time, but do you have anything to do?
I wanna treat you a dinner. Would you like to go to have a dinner with me?
我想请你吃饭，你愿意和我一起去吃晚饭吗？
好的，可以呀。
Okay, yes.
May I have your phone number?
我可以知道你的电话号码吗？
可以，我的电话号码是189。
Yes, my phone number is.
Or maybe you are driving around your city and a foreigner asked your help. She wanna go somewhere, but you don't know where she wanna go or you don't understand a single thing that she has said. How do you feel? Where do you wanna go?
我听不懂，
Do you understand English?
不懂。
Oh, wait. Where do you want to go?
你想去哪里？
我想去万达广场。
I want to go to Wanda Plaza.
Oh, I don't wanna go to Wanda.
哦，我不想去万达。
哦，那好吧。
Oh, okay.
Well, here is our Fulentalk T1 portable translator. At the rear panel, there is a 8 megapixel camera accompanied by a flash. And here they have printed Fulentalk, the logo at the center. On the right side, there are 3 buttons. And all the buttons got their own accent color. The yellow one is actually the power button or wake up button. There are 2 other buttons, one red, one blue. We can assign different languages to this button to translate. For example, if you want to translate from Chinese to English or English to Chinese, we can assign English to the blue button and Chinese to the red button. And when you press the blue button and speak in English, you will get it translated to Chinese. And when you press the red button and speak some Chinese, it will get translated to English. In front there is a nice 4-inch display panel. This one is very responsive and goes very bright. You may have noticed that there are 2 speaker cutouts in front, but actually there is 1 speaker in front and the other speaker is actually located at the bottom. A microphone, a USB-C port and a lanyard loop, everything is located at the bottom. Volume rockers and SIM tray is located on the left side, and on top there is nothing but 2 other microphones. These 3 microphones creates an array and offers EDC noise cancellation. Well, we can also use this one like hands-free translator. If you don't want to press and talk, if you find that's a bit annoying, then what we can do is this. Look at this. Dzień dobry.
Good morning.
Well, let me try this one with Carol. I'm gonna speak Polish and she is gonna speak English. Let's see how does it perform. Dzień dobry.
Good morning.
How are you?
Gdzie jesteś?
Jak się masz?
How are you?
I'm fine.
Dzięki.
Well, there is one thing very important when we talk about a portable translator or any type of translator. What is the accuracy? The brand actually claims that this one offers up to 95% translation accuracy, but from my personal experience, this one actually offers almost 100% accuracy because this T1 supports 40 languages and 93 accents in online voice translation and 13 in offline voice translation. It covers most of the countries and regions in the world, but one more time, this one is way more accurate than any other voice translators because this one supports different accents, dialects. For example, in America, people speak in different accents. In China, there are many different dialects. Like personally, I know 3 different dialects of Chinese like Wuhanhua, Putonghua, and a bit of Guangdonghua. These are actually totally different. And it's even difficult for some Chinese to speak in many different dialects. So if your translator doesn't know the dialects, then that one won't be able to translate. This one supports 93 different accents. For example, in Chinese, in Putonghua, it's like 你叫什么名字? What's your name? This one can understand it. 你叫什么名字?
What is your name?
Okay, now I'm gonna speak it in Wuhanhua, in Wuhan dialect. Let's see whether this one can understand or not. 你叫什么名字?
What's your name?
Look at this. Oh my god. That's crazy, right? Okay, let's check some other languages. At the beginning, I've mentioned that I know some Polish. Let's try. Jak się masz?
How are you?
Cool. It even understands my Polish. My Polish isn't that good, but it can understand. That's a great thing. This one also comes with a listen mode, which will continuously listen to something and translate on screen. Let's check that. Today I have this Vivo X90 Pro Plus. I have been using this Vivo X90 Pro Plus for almost 2 weeks now, and at the time of recording, I can say without any hesitation that I am already in love with this Vivo X90 Pro Plus. Well, there are some other options like ask for direction, voice memo, common expressions like urgency, traffic, bank, hospital, hotel, restaurant. Like if you're in a restaurant and if you want to ask something, these things are already provided. For example, can you help introduce a restaurant with a good reputation nearby? Or is there a table for 3 people? So yeah, a lot of things are already built in. There is a user guide included inside, so you don't have to read the paper manual and you don't have to carry that paper manual. If you don't know how to use this one, just click on user guide and all the guidelines are provided. Another thing that I really like about this device is this one comes with SOS. For example, if you're in United States of America and if you don't know how to call the police, well, here it says 911. And this one covers almost all the countries. For example, if you go to Qatar and if you don't know how to call the police, then well, that's 999. This one also comes with an option to check currency exchange rate and yeah, world clock. Well, that should be everything about this Fulentalk T1 portable translator, but there are 3 other things that I need to mention. The first thing is Fulentalk T1 comes with streaming ASR technology and 150 servers and accelerators worldwide. So when it's online, when you are doing some online translation, this one will respond within 0.2 seconds. Kudos to Fulentalk. The second thing is, well, I may have already mentioned that this one comes with a camera at the rear panel and supports image translation. Yeah, there are some other portable translators also supports image translation, but this one supports 36 different languages. This is almost uncomparable to any other portable translators because most of the other portable translators only supports 2 or 3. That's a very big advantage, and this one actually translates in real time. Finally, this one comes with a 12nm high-performance quad-core CPU. It's a computer-grade CPU, and this one can go up to 1.2 GHz. I have tried many other different translators for my friends who have been traveling to China because some of my friends thought, okay, Han, I want to try something else, not this one. And at the end of the day, everyone has came to a point where they had to agree that this Fulentalk T1 portable translator offers the fastest translating speed. And it's not only about translation or translating speed, this one comes with a lot of features. This one is very responsive and look at the display panel, it's truly amazing. Well, finally, that's all about this Fulentalk T1 portable translator. If you have any question about this product, don't forget to make a comment and ask me. And also, don't forget to make a comment and let me know your thoughts and ideas about this Fulentalk T1 portable translator. If you have liked this video, then please click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.